So this is what a Heynes manual is like. And, I bought this book online off eBay. It was like something in the order of 5 or 10 pounds, British pounds we're talking here. It was a used book, but it is in pretty mint condition, as you can see. It is not torn, it is not... there are no smudges, and no one seems to have handled it with dirty and oily hands. This is the contents. I have to turn it. You know, the contents are... have to turn it to the front. Table of contents. You know. And at the back we are getting to the index and the glossary of technical terms. There you go. This is basically what a given mechanical component is, the definition of a given name to a particular mechanical component. Compression, for instance, is not a component, but it is a term that is used in engineering and the automotive industry. Compression ratio, the relationship between cylinder volume when the piston is at top dead center and cylinder volume when the piston is at bottom dead center. Well, so it is easy to navigate. It is well explained. Everything seems to be nice. It comes in handy because there is a lot of visual aid, a lot of pictures, so you know what you will be getting into. Gives you a general idea. I am not promoting, by the way, Heynes manuals or anything. I am just doing a kind of a review of this book, this manual, and, or I'm doing kind of a public service. You know, you have to decide for yourselves if you're going to find this manual useful for your particular needs. Basically, this manual covers most of the vehicle's components, and it's divided into sections, as you will probably know. It deals with the engine, transmission, brake, and suspension body, and so on and so on. As you can see here, we have a little diagram of the camshaft bearings and how you can probably mess it up when you're putting them back together. This particular manual is for Audi A4. There you go. As you can see, it deals with the four-cylinder engines, petrol and diesel. This is the first generation of Audi A4. And the reason for this is because I have this particular car, and that is why I bought this manual, because it will probably come in handy sometime along the way. So far I have not I haven't had the need to use it, except for, I guess I referred to it on one occasion, and it was something about the door handle, or maybe, yeah, the door lock. But that's about all. As you can see, you can find a lot of useful information on, if you're planning on some serious work. Obviously, you will not be getting all the answers you need for all the problems you will probably encounter along the way with your given vehicle, but it is helpful because it contains most of the fundamental repairs and components and troubleshooting, and it is kind of worth it, I guess. Anyway, this is what I use. This is the bus that I use for doing some diagnostic work, and this is a small laptop that I got pretty cheap. It is pink, but it is what it is. So anyway, I hope you found this useful, and that's all I can say for now. Bye.